Welcome back to English Word Hub. Today, we are putting your vocabulary to the test with an advanced synonym quiz. Each question comes with 4 tricky options, and after your guess, I'll reveal the correct answer with a short, clear explanation to help you learn and remember. Think you know your English well? Let's find out. 1. Choose the synonym of ostentatious. A. Modest. B. Flashy. C. Simple. D. Shy. Explanation: ostentatious refers to something showy or designed to impress. Flashy is a direct synonym. 2. Choose the synonym of impeccable. A. Imperfect. B. Spotless. C. Ordinary. D. Acceptable. Explanation: impeccable means perfect, without any flaw. Spotless conveys that clean or flawless sense. 3. Choose the synonym of elusive. A. Easy. B. Obvious. C. Hard to catch. D. Transparent. Explanation: elusive describes something difficult to find, catch, or understand. So, hard to catch fits well. 4. Choose the synonym of euphoria. A. Depression. B. Delight. C. Confusion. D. Fear. Explanation: euphoria means an intense feeling of happiness or joy, very close to delight. 5. Choose the synonym of pragmatic. A. Dreamy. B. Idealistic. C. Practical. D. Imaginative. Explanation: pragmatic refers to being practical and focused on real-world results. 6. Choose the synonym of tenacious. A. Lazy. B. Persistent. C. Weak. D. Flexible. Explanation: tenacious means holding on firmly or not giving up easily, just like persistent. 7. Choose the synonym of lucid. A. Confusing. B. Bright. C. Clear. D. Vague. Explanation: lucid can mean clear in thought or expression. So the correct synonym is clear. 8. Choose the synonym of insipid. A. Flavorful. B. Dull. C. Intense. D. Exciting. Explanation: insipid refers to something lacking flavor or excitement, in short, dull. 9. Choose the synonym of voracious. A. Tired. B. Hungry. C. Greedy. D. Slow. Explanation: voracious means having a very eager or greedy appetite, usually for food or knowledge. 10. Choose the synonym of fortuitous. A. Intentional. B. Accidental. C. Dangerous. D. Complicated. Explanation: fortuitous means happening by chance, especially something lucky, that's accidental. 11. Choose the synonym of apathetic. A. Energetic. B. Indifferent. C. Caring. D. Anxious. Explanation: apathetic means showing or feeling no interest or concern. Indifferent means the same. 12. Choose the synonym of frugal. A. Wasteful. B. Thrifty. C. Lavish. D. Generous. Explanation: frugal describes someone who spends money wisely and carefully, similar to thrifty. 13. Choose the synonym of vindicate. A. Accuse. B. Justify. C. Condemn. D. Blame. Explanation: vindicate means to clear someone of blame or prove something right. Justify has a similar meaning. 14. Choose the synonym of melancholy. A. Joyful. B. Gloomy. C. Angry. D. Confused. Explanation: melancholy refers to a deep, thoughtful sadness. Gloomy is a close synonym. 15. Choose the synonym of abstain. A. Indulge. B. Refrain. C. Consume. D. Crave. Comment your answer. Great job making it to the end of this tricky synonyms quiz. These weren't easy, so if you got most of them right, give yourself a pat on the back. If you found this quiz helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting English learning videos every week. And remember, expanding your vocabulary one word at a time can transform your fluency. See you in the next video. Until then, keep learning and keep growing.